Hello ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back to YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, today we are also gonna talk about another awesome project. It's called Suraj.ai. Basically it's a very unique project in 2025. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the review. Starting with see small disclaimer, this is not investment advice. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure to do your research before any investment. I'm not responsible any profit and losses. So first of all, you can see I'm here on the website homepage. Transform DeFi with AI driven innovation. You can see their home feature, token, TBA, block, and also Connect wallet. First of all, you can see optimized by algorithm. DeFi is not a delivery experience, a decentralized finance interface, and powered by AI. The Suraj protocol delivers the you can see there join the waitlist, read documents, Connect wallet, and if you scroll down, you can see their algorithm driven community governed discover where AI meets DeFi white paper. Our partners, you can see their ATS, Utopia, Chainlink, and M3. You can see the power behind the protocol. AI powered trading strategies at the head of the Suraj. You can see AI algorithm designed to maximize your returns, cutting edge technology, and you can see adjust yield in the real time, capturing the best annual percentage yield API in the occur by balancing risk reward through the intelligent hedging strategies to ensure that your investment may remain stable even in a violate market conditions. So I hope you understand what I try to explain you. And you can see that decentralized by design, sensibility for the long run, learn more, and you can see a lot of things also mentioned here, decentralized, and you can see this is official website interface. Let's scroll down. You can see the pillars of our ecosystem. First of all, they are empowered by governance. As the Suraj token holder, you have to unique opportunity to play an active role in the evolution of the ecosystem. The definition model rewards cross-chain compatibility. The engines, you can see the engine driving real reality. You can see your gateway to everything Suraj AI. You can see they are innovative with join us the way are definitely the Suraj network. Read white paper, contact us. You can also see Twitter, Telegram, Medium about us. White paper is also mentioned here. So let's check it out. This project on the coin store. Basically, you can see the price of this project is 0.0618. You can also buy this token on the coin store. Simply click on buy, enter your price. Then first of all, you need to create your account on the coin store. Basically, coin store is one of the largest crypto exchange where you will buy any token easily. You can see first of all you need to sign up your account. Then you can see this is the official amount, white paper, official website. This is the price of the token, and this is the chart of the project also mentioned here. This is the chart where you can buy the token and sell the token easily, but do your own risk. This is the official white paper, Suraj AI decentralized finance powered by AI. Total 15-page white paper. The contact, their introduction, Suraj node, Suraj algorithm, summary of the Suraj trading strategy, pre-results, Suraj token protocol model, and constellations. First of all, you can see his introduction. As I already told you, this is our DeFi protocol DAO community, and you can see their white paper is also mentioned here. You can understand each and everything on the website, and this is the official price. This is official Telegram, Twitter account where they have a 10k plus followers on that. This is very big community, and also this is the Telegram channel. Also they have 10,000 plus members on the Telegram. They have a very largest community already. But if you become their member, you will get a lot of opportunities to make profit online. So I hope you understand. This is the official coin store YouTube channel. You can also subscribe the channel easily. Simply you need to click on subscribe, then click on press the bell icon, and then click on the all option. You will get notified all the information, all the latest project and events, and each and everything you will be get notified. This is the white paper. This is the coin store. You simply click on register, click on login, and you can do it easily. Basically, this is the official token option. You can see Suraj AI token. As I already told the price, simply you need to click on connect wallet. You can connect wallet easily, and also this is a block tokens. You can see their token, this Suraj token, the ecosystem, and the features, home, each and everything provided here. This is the white paper. Their total partners is also mentioned here. This is the official white paper. So I hope you understand each and everything. If you have any question about this project, you can do a comment down below the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.